In this section, I want to introduce to you the programs that we need to create motion graphics along with the After Effects. One of these programs is Illustrator and the other is Photoshop. These programs are used to design characters, objects, backgrounds, and etc. Now you may be wondering which program works best for me. I recommend Illustrator. Why? Because Illustrator is a vector-based program, but Photoshop is a pixel-based program. Now you may be wondering what a vector is and how does a vector-based program work. Let me show you with an example. In vector-based programs, when you design something, no matter how much you zoom in, the quality doesn't decrease. In other words, when you zoom in on the object, its quality remains the same. In motion graphics, it happens to you that you want to zoom in on an object or bring it closer to the camera. In this case, if your design is not vector, its quality will decrease. So in vector-based programs, no matter how much we zoom in, the quality doesn't decrease. And that is why I prefer Illustrator to Photoshop. Now let's test the same line in Photoshop. As I said before, Photoshop is a pixel-based program. When we design something in Photoshop, there is no problem in normal mode without zooming. But when we zoom in on the line, as you can see, the line is made of a series of pixels. And these pixels reduce the quality of your motion graphics when they enter the After Effects. Therefore, in Illustrator, we will not have the problem of pixels and quality loss. So most people use Illustrator to design objects, backgrounds, and so on. But some people prefer Photoshop for convenience. Such people design their background or object in Photoshop with high DPI or high resolution, so that when they move into After Effects and zoom in on it, the quality doesn't decrease. To be able to adjust the resolution, we create a new project. I will create an HD project in Photoshop. On the right, in the resolution section, you can select a large number for resolution. For example, I enter 300 and click Create. Now if I design my own background or object, and when I zoom in, the quality doesn't decrease. So as a rule, keep this in mind. If you want to design your background or object with Photoshop, be sure to set the resolution to a high number. Then start designing. My suggestion and priority is to use Illustrator first. But if you are more comfortable using Photoshop, set the DPI or resolution to a high number. Then start designing. In the next session, I will teach you how these programs interact with the After Effects.